The description contains a link to the Osram bulb finder. Use this first to see which bulbs are installed. Press the cover on the inside. It will then release and can be removed. Remove the 2 screws underneath. Then push the tail light outwards to release it from the guide pins. To unlock, use a narrow screwdriver to pry the lock slightly backwards. This releases the lock at the front and allows you to unplug the connector. After removing the tail light, loosen the 4 screws of the lamp holder. The small glass base lamps are simply plugged in and can be easily pulled out. Remove the other bulbs from the socket by gently pressing and simultaneously turning them. That's it. Good luck with your DIY project.